learn today? We're gonna learn to wash our hands. Isn't that great? Okay, so the first step to washing your hands is you want to take off any jewelry that you wear or anything on your hands. So I have a ring, I'm gonna take that off. Okay, so the next step is you turn on the hot water. Okay, and then what you do is you go like this, get your hands all wet, and then see the soap? You take the soap. You gotta put some soap in your hands, like this, and you scrub. See? Ta-da? Like this. And make sure you get those wrists, and then you get those thumbs, and you get the thumbs, and you get in between your fingers, and you get everywhere. And then when you're done with that, you gotta scrub for at least 15 seconds. Anyway, so when you're done with that, you put your hands back under the water, and you get all the soap off. Make sure you get all that soap off. Just like this. And when you're done with that, you turn off the water. Oops. And you knock over the soap in the process. And then you come over here, you get the towel, and then you dry off your hands. Easy as that, kids. Easy as that.